Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf. So, what exactly happened this week in the crypto market? And one more thing, my prediction that went very well. These are some of the topics that I will be discussing in today's video and my trade updates as well. So, this will be a very informative video. So, do watch till the end. So, let's get straight to the point. I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and if you have watched my this video right now popping up on the screen, then you already know what I will be going to be talking about. Because first of all, I want to make things clear that I did mention in my video that the price of Bitcoin has to dump towards the downside and come at this level 93,700. I was not expecting a big major dump, but still I said that I will be expecting the price of Bitcoin to drop all the way down till $93,700-800 approx. Like minimum this was my target, because the price of Bitcoin got rejected from this top right over here at $109,000 approx. And if you look closely, the Bitcoin's price is in a sideways trend. This is the important support it has been following, and this is the important resistance. And right now the price of Bitcoin is just sideways, and I told you all that after getting rejected from here, the price will come all the way down till this important support zone, and it did eventually came down. So this is a very important support zone. Well, did I enter in a long position? Personally not. Why? Because I'll be honest, price of Bitcoin right now is very manipulative, and going long and short is very risky, especially on Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin is getting manipulated, then obviously every other altcoin will also get manipulated as well. But I will rather take some risk on altcoins rather than on Bitcoin right now, and that's why I did enter in a long position on Solana. And yeah, basically I will discuss that as well later on in the video, but for now I'll be honest, and currently nothing much in the price of Bitcoin. There is some potential for the price of Bitcoin to pump towards the upside. Well, it all depends on USDT, if they print more money out of thin air, or MicroStrategy if they spread a fake rumor. I won't say fake rumor, but I mean, if their Ponzi scheme is continuously going, then definitely I believe the price of Bitcoin to pump towards the upside. But as you can clearly see, for months and months we haven't seen a major dump towards the downside. Correction has never happened. We saw a manipulative pump, and then sideways market, again a manipulative pump, and then a sideways market. So which is obviously very bad, because the price of Bitcoin has to dump towards the downside, this is for sure. And let's see how long this whole Ponzi scheme will work. Also, I'm on the Solana's chart, and I hope you remembered I took couple of trades on Solana in the past. First one trade was right over here at $176 when the price was Solana dumped all the way down till here. I entered in a long position, and in just one candle only my target was met, in two candles to be exact. This 4th February candle, exactly I told you guys that this is my target at 219, and exactly this target was met. So pretty good trade right over here. And now if I zoom out, you can clearly see price of Solana is dumping towards the downside. It is in a downtrend. High, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and a new lower low has been made right over here. So there are high chances price of Solana can pump towards the upside from here to form a new lower high. Not only this, but as you can clearly see, we are seeing back-to-back green candles. And so there are many high chances that the bears are now getting exhausted, and there are chances of bulls to enter in the market once again. Candles are becoming bigger and bigger, but still the candle, or I would say the bears, are unable to break this important support level, which is at approx $168. And this signifies a very good bullish momentum upcoming in the market. And let's see what happens. I entered in a long position on Solana somewhat over here. Why? Because after this candle went all the way down till $161 and liquidated all the greedy long traders. So SL hunting, obviously. After this SL hunting is over and the price again came back towards the upside, I for sure knew that this is the right time to enter in a long position, so I did enter. So right over here, this was my entry price at $168 approx, and my stop loss is somewhat over here at $154 level, and I found this level using Fibonacci. So let's see how this trade goes, and if the price of Solana goes all the way down till this level, I will for sure close my trade. But obviously I will first observe the charts and the overall scenario at that time, and whether it is worth it closing the trade or just holding on to my losses, which obviously is a very risky and a bad thing. But let's see. And my current take profit is exactly the same at $219 level. Well, it is a long target for sure. I mean, it is a very big target for the Solana to cover up and catch up, but I mean, this is my main target, $219, and Solana's price for sure will come at this level if it breaks this level towards the upside, obviously. But for now I'm expecting a little bit pump, minimum 1:2 risk to reward. This right over here, 196. So if the price of Solana comes at 196, $197, I will definitely book some profits, and my main target will be remaining this only at $219. Let's see what happens. There are many high chances that we can see a fake out and the price of Solana can dump all the way down again. A massive dump can come, obviously, and I can get stop out as well. So do not copy trade me, but learn from my trades, why I am entering in a long position, what are my target and stop loss, how I find them. So let's see how this trade goes. Guys, this is it for today's video, and I mean, it is a very concise and straight to the point video. Basically I'm just discussing Bitcoin and Solana right now, how my Bitcoin prediction exactly went perfectly, and the price of Bitcoin did drop exactly till my level. And also about Solana, I did enter in a long position. Let's see how this plays out. And nothing much right now in overall crypto, pretty much dead volume, I would say. So yeah, I mean, obviously it is waiting for some manipulative news to occur, but let's see. And if you want to trade Bitcoin or Solana or just buy, you can do that on any crypto exchange. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments, or else you can just create an account on any exchange you want. No pressure promotion, just do not fall for any scams, and I'll see you guys next time.